So you can see this is experiment number 4 as per the lab manual. And what is the aim of experiment? To perform open circuit test on single phase transformer and to calculate first the equivalent circuit parameters with respect to primary side of the transformer and open circuit loss or core loss, iron loss of transformer. And these are the instruments apparatus required. Okay, single phase transformer, voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter, variac, connecting wires, and these are the ranges. And this is the theory. Okay, this is the theory part you can go through during open circuit test. So basically I will directly come to the circuit and I will explain the circuit. Okay, so basically what happens, this is the transformer circuit. You can see this is primary winding. So in transformer, single phase transformer, there will be two windings. This one is called primary winding and this will be called secondary windings, and this is called iron core. These two parallel lines what you are seeing here, this is called iron core. So basically this is the primary winding, the left side part, and the right side part is the secondary winding. And here what happens, because this is called open circuit test, इसको हम बोलते हैं open circuit test, no load test. So that is why the secondary side, this is the secondary side where these terminals are kept open circuited. इसको open किया जाता है. Okay, these terminals are kept open circuited. So no load is connected at this terminal. कोई भी लोड कनेक्टेड नहीं है. लोड का मतलब लैंप लोड, मोटर, लैंप, बल्ब, हीटर. Okay, any electrical load you can connect. So this is the load terminal actually, load end. Secondary side is the load end and primary side is the supply end. यहाँ से आप supply provide करते हैं. Okay, you feed single phase AC supply through this variable transformer. See, this is variable transformer, rating 230 volt, 28 ampere, variac. This is also called variac. This is phase, this is neutral. So this is 230 volt single phase AC supply. So primary side we supply single phase AC supply, and from secondary side generally we connect load. But this is called open circuit test. So this secondary winding is kept open circuited. यहाँ पर इसको open कर दिया गया है. And now instruments will be connected in this side. You can see on the screen there is a wattmeter. This is wattmeter. So earlier we studied about wattmeter in 2 wattmeter method of power measurement, 3-phase power measurement. So same wattmeter is there. Here you can see एक current coil होगा इसमें, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर there is a current coil connected between M and L point. So it will read current, and there is a potential coil which is connected across this single phase primary winding. So this will be called potential coil और ये voltage read करेगा. Okay, so now this forms, this is the circuit of wattmeter. Okay, which is inside the wattmeter. So this will be wattmeter and it will read iron loss. Directly it will read iron loss or core loss. And there is a voltmeter. You can see there is a voltmeter and ammeter connected over here. Okay, you can see there is a voltmeter that is for voltage measurement and that will read the rated voltage. So we supply rated voltage. इस टेस्ट में हम क्या करते हैं, 230 वोल्ट रेटेड वोल्टेज सप्लाई करेंगे और सारी की सारी रीडिंग्स वी विल नोट इट डाउन, ऑल द रीडिंग्स लाइक वोल्टमीटर रीडिंग, अमीटर रीडिंग एंड वॉटमीटर रीडिंग, एंड देन वी विल कैलकुलेट सम पैरामीटर विच विल बी कॉल्ड ओपन सर्किट पैरामीटर. अब आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल. So you have to note it down the voltmeter reading, that is the rated voltage, ammeter reading that is called no load current. तो जब आप सप्लाई करेंगे रेटेड वोल्टेज, देन अमीटर जो होगा वो बहुत ही कम एम्पियर रीड करेगा. ओके, स्मॉल करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू दिस अमीटर बिकॉज ऑफ नो लोड. So we have to write it down the ammeter reading and as well as the wattmeter reading at right side. और ये वॉट मीटर रीडिंग जो होगा ये आयरन लॉस बताएगा। ओके, इट विल बी कॉल्ड आयरन लॉस और कोर लॉस। और कुछ फॉर्मूले आपको यूज करना पड़ेगा। दीज आर द प्रिकॉशंस एंड क्वेश्चंस, and this is the actual reading 230 volt. See here, this is the 230 volt we provided. This was the meter reading in the meter 1.12 ampere, and this was the watt meter reading 55, and there will be multiplying factor will also be there. Multiplying factor 1 आ रहा है, ठीक है। यहाँ you can see the multiplying factor. This is the formula for calculating multiplying factor. Rating of CC, करंट कॉइल की रेटिंग क्या होगी, इनटू रेटिंग ऑफ पीसी, पोटेंशियल कॉइल की रेटिंग क्या है, इनटू cos फाई, पावर फैक्टर ऑफ दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट वॉट मीटर, डिवाइडेड बाय वॉट मीटर रीडिंग। जो मैक्सिमम रीडिंग होगी वॉट मीटर की वो हम यहाँ पर लिखते हैं। सो 5 इंटू 300 इंटू 0.2 डिवाइड बाई 300, सो इट विल बिकम 1। सो मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर जो है वो 1 है, तो इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा वट एवर पावर विल बी ऑब्जर्व इन द वॉट मीटर, and then we will directly calculate. Okay, these are the formulas. See here, this is iron loss W0 is equal to, formula आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर, these are called open circuit parameters. W naught equal to V naught I naught cos phi naught. अच्छा, इसको चलिए बाद में देखते हैं, ठीक है। See, so सबसे पहले हम सिमुलेशन देखेंगे। Now we will watch the actual video. Okay, so see here, this is the circuit. It is there in the virtual lab. You can go through the software. It is developed by IIT Bombay. Okay, so it is called virtual lab. You just type virtual lab IIT Bombay in the Google, then you will see the window opened up. Okay, and then there will be there you have to choose electrical machine 1 lab. Electrical machine 1, you have to go to section electrical engineering branch, and then there will be electrical engineering lab. Okay, electrical machines. So there will be a practical of open circuit test and short circuit test. So you see, this is the simulation of open circuit test on single phase transformer. Okay, you can see यहाँ पर 2 windings नजर आएगी आपको। These are the 2 windings. You can see this is primary side, P लिखा होगा। Okay, P1, P2, these are the 2 terminals of primary winding, and S1, S2, these are the 2 terminals of secondary windings. The practical for you, and then okay, so this is the video I already uploaded in the YouTube in my channel. You can go through if you can watch. Okay, if you want to watch this, you can go through. I already shared the link with you. So this is the practical I already connected here. Okay, the circuit is already got connected. Now we will see how it is going to be connected. Okay, we will reset the connection. हम फिर से कनेक्शन करेंगे और सर्किट डायग्राम देखेंगे कि किस सर्किट डायग्राम के आधार पर आप इसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी कनेक्टेड। सो यहां पर आप देखिए, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर रीसेटिंग दिस कनेक्शन। ओके, आई एम फॉरवर्डिंग दिस वीडियो सो दैट इट कैन बी रीसेट, एंड देन वी विल reconnect the circuit. So this is the wizard. Okay, you can open up virtual laboratory. Electrical, you have to choose electrical engineering branch, then there will be electrical machines lab. See here, it is already shown on the screen. You can see then the practical, and there will be actually the list of experiments you will see. Okay, list of experiments, then you can select this practical. Okay, to perform there will be open circuit test, 6 number practical. You can see determination of transformer parameters, equivalent parameters, and then choose simulation. Okay, simulation. In this section simulation there will be theory, pre-test, procedure. Okay, everything is there, references, feedback. Then you have to go to this section simulation. So if you choose this, if you click on this simulation, so the wizard will be appeared. Okay, this wizard will be appeared on the screen, and the connection diagram will also be there. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint presentation I have prepared. So you can see the same exact diagram. This is the circuit diagram. एक voltmeter connect होगा primary side पर, और अच्छा primary side जो होगा वो याद रखना, always remember this will be low voltage side. Okay, this is fixed. Okay, so while we perform open circuit test, the low voltage winding will be, this is low voltage side and this is high voltage side. The secondary one is open circuited. See here, the secondary winding is open circuited and this will be high voltage side. This, okay, always remember. Then see, and this is the circuit diagram I already discussed. Okay, it will be on the right corner side. It will appear at right corner side of video. You can see while you connect the circuit. आप ये देख सकते हैं इसी प्रकार का सर्किट आपको कनेक्ट करना है. ओके, so this is the same circuit. Okay, so as per this circuit diagram you have to connect the simulation diagram. Okay, now we are going to reset this. Okay, so now it has got reset. You can see. Okay, so क्या क्या होगा इसमें कंपोनेंट आप देख सकते हैं. There is a MCB, single phase, through single phase supply is fed. You can see this is the MCB section, on off MCB miniature circuit breaker. Okay, and there are two terminals, one of phase and one of neutral, positive and negative. Okay, and there is a auto transformer. You can see this is the auto transformer. So supply will be connected to auto transformer and then it will be connected to, okay, different instruments, primary windings and all everything. So here you can see this is the circuit diagram. Okay, you can see at right corner side you see this is the circuit diagram. So just watch the video how it is going to be connected. Okay, see, apply. So connect MCB to auto transformers positive. Okay, so first of all we are connecting MCB, single phase supply. This is MCB section, so through which we are providing single phase AC supply. So positive of single phase supply will be connected to positive of auto transformer. Then see, and connect this minus supply to negative supply of auto transformer. So the auto transformer now connected to the supply, single phase supply. So here at right side you can see this is the supply section and this is the auto transformer. Okay, you can see. So this is the positive point of supply and this is the positive point of auto transformer. This winding is called variable winding. What you are seeing on the screen at right side. See here, इसको variac कहा जाता है. It is also called variable transformer. Okay, so through which you have to provide AC supply. Okay, so now just connect positive to positive. Okay, of auto transformer. Okay, now you can follow the PPT. So how you can follow, this is the positive supply of auto transformer, this is negative supply of auto transformer connected from single phase supply. Okay, now guys you can see over here there are wattmeters. A meter is connected in series and this is voltmeter. You can see here this is wattmeter W, this is ammeter connected in series and this is voltmeter connected in parallel to read the voltage, supply voltage. Okay, so you can connect the voltmeter across this auto transformer. This voltmeter can be connected. So positive of voltmeter is connected to positive of auto transformer and negative of voltmeter is directly connected to negative of auto transformer. So connect, now you can connect the positive of voltmeter, you can connect. Okay, so always remember, keep in mind the circuit diagram. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. So as per this circuit diagram, okay, what is appearing at corner side, so just we are following this circuit. Okay, so we have taken this voltmeter. See, otherwise, okay, much time has been wasted. Okay, so we will do it very fast. Okay, see, at positive of auto transformer, then negative of voltmeter, you can directly connect to negative of auto transformer. Okay, now see, now the second step, how wattmeter is connected. So you can see there are 4 points. There are 4 points on this wattmeter. M means mains, connected to the mains. L means load, and C, this is the C point, and this is V means voltage coil. Okay, so here L and C, 2 points are short circuited. These are the combined points, L and C. Okay, and M is connected to ammeters minus. As you can see over here, M point of wattmeter is connected to negative of ammeter L and C are short circuited and V is connected to this point, okay, P2, the lower point, the V point is connected to this point. So now you can connect. How you can connect? Just follow this. P1 is connected, the P1 you can see over here, P1, this is the primary point, P1 is connected to L, P1 is connected to L, okay, then L and C are short circuited, these are short circuited, voltage coil is connected to P2, you can see V is connected to P2, this is P2 and V is connected to P2. Okay, then see M is connected to ammeters negative. You can see over here M is connected to ammeters negative point. So M is connected to ammeters negative point, and where ammeters positive is connected, you can see ammeters positive is connected from auto transformers directly. Okay, this point is auto transformers point. So ammeters positive is connected to auto transformers positive point, this one, okay, and P2 is connected. Now complete the circuit, one more connection is required. Now P2 is connected from auto transformer, this one minus, okay, P2 is connected to minus of auto transformer. Now click on this check connection, okay, so and there is one more connection is required, and this secondary winding is kept open circuited, means there is another voltmeter connected across the secondary winding. So connect S1 to positive and S2 to negative point of transformer like this. You can see here there is at secondary side there is another voltmeter. So voltmeters positive is connected to S1 and voltmeters negative is connected to S2. So now the circuit is completed. So you can check this connection and it will tell correct connection. So click on this, okay. Now you can turn on the supply, switch on the supply. So switch on the supply, it will turn green, and then double click on auto transformer. So guys, basically we have connected the circuit diagram, okay, as per the circuit diagram, and now we are giving supply, single phase supply, okay. So we have to switch on the supply, this is MCB. We have to turn this on, okay, this MCB on. Then supply will be fed through this auto transformer, and just double click on this auto transformer and then add to table, okay. You have to click on this button, add to table, then there will be one set of reading over here. यहाँ पर readings आ जाएंगी, see, then the circuit will automatically on, okay. This simulation of open circuit test is on, it is conducted, and then you can see the pointer is deflected of voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter, and now you have to click on this link add to table, and now you have all the readings. The no load voltage 230 volt, that is your, so you can see 3 readings will be there, okay. V0, we call this V0 means no load voltage, that is rated voltage 230 volt. No load current or open circuit current 0.9 ampere, okay, it will be very less. And then W0, okay, W0 or whatever you want to write, OC, WOC, okay. So we write V0, I0, W0, and W0 will be equal to 50. So according to this experiment, these are the readings, and now we calculate some parameters in this test, okay. Open circuit test is already conducted. So this was the open circuit test, and we get all the 3 readings, and now what we have to do, we have to calculate some parameters. So you will go through the slides and then check what are the formulas, okay. See here, ये formulas में आपको रख कर कुछ पैरामीटर कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है. See in this slide, okay, see here, नो लोड पावर फैक्टर आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है. तो पहला फॉर्मूला जो आप यूज करेंगे दैट इज W नॉट इज इक्वल टू V नॉट I नॉट cos phi नॉट. ओके, व्हाट इज W नॉट? दिस इज आयरन लॉस, ओके, जो हमारे टेबल पे था. एंड V नॉट इज रेटेड वोल्टेज, okay, no load voltage, also it is also called no load voltage, and I naught is, that is no load current. So just put all the values over here. W naught की वैल्यू रख दीजिए यहाँ पर 50 watt, 230 V naught, I0 is 0.9 and cos phi 0 आपकी रीडिंग्स आ जाएगी. Okay, so it will be power factor will be calculated. Okay, that will be called no load power factor. And then आपको two components find करना पड़ता है. See 7 point, two components of no load current, that is magnetizing component and core loss component. तो जब आप ट्रांसफार्मर की थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे तो वहां पर आएगा. Okay, this will be there in the transformer working principle. Okay, when you will study the working principle of transformer at no load, so this is the theoretical part actually. Magnetizing current you will study there, magnetizing current and core loss component of current. So these are the two currents, and formulas are: for magnetizing current I naught sin phi 0 and core loss current I naught cos phi 0. Okay, and then you have to calculate core resistance RC and magnetizing reactance. Two more formulas are there. तो यहाँ पर हाँ, yes.
So what did you say was the reason behind using auto transformer rather than a regular one?
No, this is not auto transformer. This is
in the beginning for
that is variable supply. That will be needed in short circuit test. And also what we do, okay, see here what we do, see this video. Okay, in this video what we do, we are supplying, okay, whatever the voltage, 230 volt, 440 volt, then it will be, okay, increased as the size of transformer increases, kVA rating increases. Suppose 11 kilovolt is to be provided, मान लीजिए 11 kilovolt आपको देना है. So you cannot directly switch on the MCB and you cannot directly provide 11 kV. Otherwise, all the transformer, there will be blast in the windings of transformer. क्यों blast होगा? Why it will happen? There will be dead short circuit. There will be any phenomena, any disturbing thing can happen. Why so?
Lower resistance,
because of the higher voltages. We cannot provide higher voltage at once. There will be, you see, when you switch on the supply at your home, okay, this will you already observed this phenomena. When you switch on the tube light or fan, there will be some spark in the behind of your switch. Can you see? Have you observed this?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, whenever you switch on the fan or light switch at your home, then there will be small spark. So that is called back EMF. So there is a winding component you will study in your further section, further semester. Okay, there will be an inductive effect in this. Okay, there in the supply, there is inductive effect in the supply. So what happens whenever you switch on or turn on the supply, there will be back EMF released. So this is small voltage. But whenever the voltage level is increased, there will be large back EMF will be generated and large sparking will be there. Okay, sparking will be produced and there will be blast. If suppose 11 kV transformer is there, so what happens? We use auto transformer. This is variable transformer. So gradually you increase the level of voltage. How you accelerate the bike's speed?
Gradually,
okay, from 0. So from 0 to up to certain RPM. So that is speedometer, okay, in your bike. Accelerator, so same like accelerator, this is voltage accelerator. So you see,
so we are stepping up here.
So we are stepping up the voltage actually through this auto transformer. Okay, this is also a transformer, but this is variable transformer. Okay, this is auto transformer.
Okay, and what does the other one do?
And
what does the other transformer do? It steps down or steps up?
Steps are, yeah, it can work as a step down as well as a step up. So here what is happening in case of open circuit test, we use step up transformer. See here in this diagram all the topics of transformer, okay, right from the beginning. See here, okay, introduction, from introduction. So you can go through this slide. This is the diagram of transformer. So you have to study construction diagram. See here, these are the important points. Okay, where it is used and what are the different types of transformer. Then you will see principle of operation. Okay, then construction of transformer is there. Then types of transformers are there. You can see these are the transformers types. and then according to working, then you see EMF equation of transformer. Okay, then you will see voltage ratios of transformer. Okay, so you can go through these slides. Okay, so you can study, these are the losses up to efficiency. Okay, you have to cover all the topics. Then phasor diagrams are there. Up to efficiency there is each and everything. Okay, so you can go, I will share it with you so you can cover your topic. Okay, and also I will upload the transformer topics video in YouTube. You can go through. So basically what happens, so in open circuit test, this is a step up transformer. Okay, you can see this is the low voltage winding. Okay, see here where it was written, there was a slide, so it was written over there. Okay, so there was a slide. So you see primary side. Okay, we take during this test, while we perform open circuit test, we take low voltage winding at primary, this was the primary, and high voltage winding at secondary, and that was open circuited actually. So this is the setup of open circuit test. Okay, so and then you have to perform some calculations. These are the calculations, you see, these are the calculations done by students. You see, you have to, when once you get the readings, then you have to calculate no load power factor. See here, this is no load power factor, he is calculated. Then core loss component of current IC is there. IC is equal to I0 cos phi 0, so you have to calculate IC. Then you will have to calculate magnetizing current. You see, this is magnetizing current I phi 1.094 ampere, and the formula is I naught sin phi 0. And then at last core resistance RC is equal to V upon IC, and magnetizing reactance X phi is equal to V upon IM. So these are called open circuit parameters. तो इतनी चीजें आपको करनी पड़ेंगी. Okay, at last, okay, after performing this practical, once you get the readings, okay, in the observation table, you will have to calculate open circuit parameters. Then open circuit test has been conducted. Okay, you can say open circuit test has been conducted. And in the same fashion, you can see the short circuit test. There is a theory and these are the short circuit parameters. These are called short circuit parameters. And now this is the circuit diagram of short circuit test. So why it is called short circuit test? See, the circuit setup is almost same. Okay, the instruments connected or okay, okay, same, but why it is called short circuit test? Because now the primary winding will be high voltage winding. Okay, it is a step down transformer. Now in case of short circuit test, it is a step down transformer. So now primary side is considered as high voltage side, and the secondary side is considered as low voltage winding. See here at right side, and it is short circuited. हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पर? We directly join these two terminals. That's why it is called short circuited. And now we will see how much voltage, current, and wattmeter readings are there. Okay, then wattmeter is connected at this side. Ammeter is connected in series. Voltmeter is connected in parallel. Okay, now we will see the simulation. Okay, so we can directly go through our video and see the circuit diagram, how it is going to perform. Okay, see here, find out this is magnetizing current. So this is the setup. Okay, see here. Okay, so almost the circuit connections are almost same, but okay, this was short circuit test. See here, connection diagram you can do for yourself. Now what we do at last, S1 S2 will be short circuited. यहाँ लास्ट पे देखिए जो secondary side होगा ये short circuit करना पड़ेगा. Okay, see. Now during this test, this is since this is short circuit test, then you have to short S1 and S2 directly. You can connect S1 and S2 directly. So here a direct wire Okay, this is the direct wire connected between S1 and S2. You can see. So direct, these are joined, these terminals are joined directly. So that's why it is called short circuit test. Okay, so connection, you can check the connections. Okay, as per this circuit diagram. So it is got short circuited, and now you have to click on this supply. So okay, now again question arises, we cannot supply the full voltage during short circuit test. Okay, this is short circuit test, always remember. So whenever there is a short circuit, heavy current flows, large amount of current flows. So this is very risky practical. Okay, this is very dangerous practical. Okay, while we perform at lab, okay, in the NIT BEE lab, NIT Raipur, we always maintain, okay, the safety. Okay, so see here, and we cannot, second thing, we cannot provide full voltage. If you provide full voltage, rated voltage over here, there will be a dead short circuit and this transformer may get burned. पूरा का पूरा transformer जल जाएगा. Okay, so that is why in this test we supply only 10% of rated voltage, approximately equal to 10 to 12%. Reading आएगी आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, what is the readings? You can see, you can check the readings. We supply only 10 to 12% short circuit test. Okay, see here. See the observation table, how much voltage is provided? Only 11 volts. See, this is the observation table in case of short circuit test. So this is voltmeter reading 11 volt, and then ammeter की reading कितनी आएगी? This is the exactly full load current of transformer. So okay, 21.5 ampere. This is the rated current of transformer, and how much copper loss is being observed in this test. Okay, wattmeter reading will show the copper loss 70 watt, and then we have to again calculate some parameter. Okay, so see here what we are doing, we are increasing the level of voltage. So before clicking on this, check connections. It will say correct connections, so it is okay. And now you have to click on this, so it will turn green. Okay, earlier it was red. Now whenever switch is on, it will turn green. And double click on the auto transformer and add to table. Okay, the reading will be shown in this table. Okay, so click add to table, and you can see 11 voltage is short circuited voltage, VSC. This is VSC, this is ISC, shown by this is WSC. Okay, so earlier we have written this V0, I0, W0 because that was open circuit test. But here in this case of short circuit test, we write VSC, that is short circuit voltage, ISC short circuit current, WSC that is short circuit power. Okay, so here we have to increase the level of voltage very gradually. Okay, gradually, very slowly, so that the full load rated current can appear in the ammeter. That will be 20 up to 21 point something ampere. Okay, and then we will stop increasing the voltage. अगर 21.7 एम्पियर आता है तो हम वोल्टेज को इंक्रीज करना बंद कर देंगे. Okay, and we do not go beyond this reading because this is the full load rated current. So according to this transformer, full load current is 4.5, but according to NIT's lab, BEE lab, there was the full load current rating of transformer was 21.7 ampere. So we stop the increasing the voltage. Okay, over here. Okay, and then again we calculate some parameter, the reading of short circuited voltage during short circuit. Okay, and this is the current, short circuit current 4.5 ampere ISC is flowing. Okay, that is rated current of transformer, and this is the short circuit, this is the copper loss shown by this wattmeter 37.5 watt. So you can note it down and you can calculate all the parameters by following these formulas. Okay, you can go to PowerPoint presentation, and this is short circuit test circuit diagram. Okay, and we have got the all the readings, VSC, voltmeter reading, ammeter reading, wattmeter reading, WSC, and you can now calculate first of all our short circuit power factor cos phi SC equal to WSC. So again you have to use some formula and you have to calculate parameters, that is called short circuit parameter. So see this point here, their formula WSC equal to VSC ISC cos phi SC. So from this formula you just calculate cos phi SC, that is power factor during short circuit test. Okay, so just put all the values WSC, VSC, ISC, okay, from the table, then calculate power factor during short circuit, and then calculate ZSC impedance, short circuit impedance, that is equal to VSC upon ISC. Then calculate RSC, short circuit resistance, and formula for that is WSC upon I square SC. So these are called short circuit parameters what you have to calculate. Okay, so this is how you can conduct open circuit test and short circuit test. Okay, so any question from this? And these are the formula you can see also in this slide. Okay, these are the short circuit parameters. See here, जो आपको लास्ट में कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है. See here, okay, copper loss. So you will have to multiplying factor will be there. There is multiplying factor 2. So just multiply this factor with this total power 70 watt. So it will become 140 watt. Okay, 17 to 2. So total power reading will be 140. And then you calculate short circuit parameters like RSC, ZSC, XSC. So these are the same formula you already used in your single phase AC circuit unit. Okay, so these are the in ohms. So this is how you can perform open circuit test and short circuit test. Okay, also you can watch the video, study elementary idea about DC machine. So see here, I already prepared a video elementary idea where construction diagram and working principle are important. See here, okay, construction DC machine. First of all, you have to prepare for DC machine and AC machine. Okay, I will share the link. Okay, I will share the link. So there is and there is also playlist. So you have to cover electrical machines 1. Actually it is there, electrical machine 1, electrical machines lab 1. Okay, so here you will see. Okay, I will share you the link, okay, afterwards. So you can go through the video. So there is a 2 part, okay, DC machine and AC machine. So DC machine construction up to construction diagram and working principle I will have to explain, and of AC machine. Okay, and then there is, okay, so we will watch the video of OC test and short circuit test in our lab. Okay, so see here, this is the open circuit test going to be performed in the actual lab. Okay, see, this is called variable transformer. See here, okay, this is actually the auto transformer. Sorry, again see, this is the auto transformer. This is called variable, through which we increase the level of voltage. This is called variable transformer. वो ऐसा होता है actually में. Okay, so this is variable transformer. Then see, and this is actual transformer. See, this is actual transformer, single phase transformer. So inside this there is a single phase transformer. And this is the nameplate rating of transformer. You see what is the actual current, full load current 21.74 ampere. Okay, and single phase voltage 230 volt. You can see these are the nameplate ratings. These are called nameplate ratings of transformer. And then see, you will see different instruments, wattmeter, voltmeter, ammeters are connected as per the circuit diagram. See, okay, this is the panel board. Okay, phase, single phase is there. Then this is primary winding. These are the instruments, and sir is telling that secondary is not connected. See here, SS means secondary terminals. So here secondary terminals are kept open circuited, and P means primary is got connected. So at primary side different instruments are connected. See, voltmeter, ammeter, okay, and wattmeter for power measurement. This is the wattmeter. Okay, this will read directly iron loss, W0, V0, I0. Now we will switch on the supply. See here, we are switching on the supply from here, then increasing the voltage of level slowly. See here, you can also observe the voltmeter reading. We are increasing the voltage gradually from 0 position up to 230 volt. So rated voltage is provided. Okay, in this test, open circuit test, we provide 230 volt single phase voltage. So okay, it is approximately equal to 230 volt. Okay, you can see in the readings, total range up to 250 volt, and then see the current, it is 1.12 approximately equal to 1 point something ampere. Okay, then see wattmeter reading. This is wattmeter reading, and there will be multiplying factor also, so you have to multiply it with the actual reading. So that will be the total power, and this will show the total iron loss. Okay. So this is how we conduct open circuit test, and these are the connections you can see on the panel board. So this is how we conduct open circuit test, and see the video for short circuit tests. Okay, this is again variable transformer or variac supply, but in this time during short circuit test, we provide only 10% of voltage of the rated voltage. So see here, now what is happening, this secondary is kept short circuited. See, you can see the cable wire through which it is short circuited. See here, secondary is now got short circuited. Okay, see, this is the wire, okay, through which the secondary winding is got short circuited. See, and all the connections are connected as per the circuit diagram. Okay, earlier you saw the circuit connection diagram, and then we increase. It was 0 because supply is switched off. Then we will see, now we are switching on the supply, and then we increase the level of voltage. We provide only 10% of 230 volt. See here, only 10 to 11 volt. And then the full load current will flow, okay, through the transformer. See, जैसे ही यहाँ पर 21.7 एम्पियर आएगा, we will stop increasing the voltage. And what is the current reading of ammeter? That is exactly the full load current of transformer, 21.7. Okay, so this must come in the ammeter. The reading will be there. That will be full load current. Until it comes, we keep providing the voltage. So it has already come, the reading 21.7, and then we will note it down, the wattmeter reading. So these are the observation, this is the observation table, and these are the readings of WSC, VSC, ISC. And then at last we calculate short circuit parameters. Okay, so this is how we